My ex-boyfriend hates me. What should I do? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Camant and I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to talk about this situation. What to do when my ex-boyfriend hates me. I know it's difficult. I know it's really painful when you have someone that you really love but is hating you. What should you do? How can you react? Tips number 1. Don't do this mistake again. Every woman that I have coached, when their boyfriend is hating them, they will try to push him and to get answers. Why are you hating me? Why are you acting like this? What did I do wrong? Every single question will just make this situation worse. So we don't want to ask questions to your boyfriend. Even if he hates you because you didn't give him love, you didn't give him attention, you were not involved in the relationship, whatever reason why he's hating you, I really want you to not ask questions. This is the worst thing that you can do today. Advice number 2, when your ex-boyfriend hates you, it's because he has a lot of pain, but also because he has the power. He knows that now, today, you're feeling guilty for the past. I know it's crazy, but look at your situation. When your ex-boyfriend is angry, is mad, is talking down to you, it's always when you feel guilty, when you allow him to talk to you like this. And this is not acceptable. Even if you made a lot of mistakes, even if you are the reason of the breakup, I don't care. We need to make sure that we can rebuild the balance of power. We need to make sure that you can have this control of your relationship, of your situation. So if your ex-boyfriend is hating you, it's because we didn't set boundaries. Okay, I've done so many mistakes. Okay, I was not the best girlfriend. But today, I don't allow you to talk to me like this. And then you take a distance. It's crazy, but it works very well. Because he will feel guilty. We can use the culpabilization. That means this guy will feel guilty and he will never talk to you like this anymore. So I know it's not easy to understand this process, but human, we will react when we don't have any other choice. If your ex-boyfriend is hating you today, I can guarantee you we can change this situation by feeling more confident. And my tip number 3, and this is the most important one. It's you need to show him what he can lose. Not talk about the past because we don't care about the past. Not talk about your relationship because then you will have some frustration. You will feel sad, angry, and we don't want to talk about the past and the relationship. The only one thing that we want to do is to do some actions and make sure that he will realize what he is losing. If you can have this power, I can guarantee you, you can get him back. Even if he's hating you, even if your ex-boyfriend hates you now, we can get him back. But it will not be with the communication. It will not be by talking about the past and the relationship. It will be by the actions that you can do right now to make sure that you will show him you have changed and he has something to lose. This is the reality of the breakup. An ex-boyfriend will always come back when he's seeing what he is losing. If not, he will have so much power that he will stay in this anger and he will not give you attention. I know it's hard to do the right actions at the right time. This is why I'm doing all of this session, private coaching session. If you come on withmyexagain.com/coaching, you can book a private coaching with me. And I can guarantee you, your man, even if he's mad, even if he's not talking to you, even if he's hating you about the breakup, we can change this situation together. We just need to make sure we can show him how much you have changed. And you can show him everything that you have done so far. So it's not easy, but it's possible. If you have any question, if you want to talk about your situation, please feel free to leave a comment just right below. Give me a like and subscribe to Love Advice TV. It's just an amazing channel with Coach Edwin, Coach Natalie, Coach Abby, and myself. We are a bunch of relationship experts, and we are here to help you. We are here to change your love life. If you want to get back with your ex-boyfriend, even if he hates you, I am the man and I will help you guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.